Hi Clay fans, today we're gonna do a salon day. I'm gonna curl my hair and I'm gonna put some makeup on. This is gonna be so much fun. Make sure you get your parents' permission first and you need your parents' help. It's because I'm using a curling one. It can be really hot, so I need my mommy and daddy to help me do my hair. Are you ready, close fans, for the transformation? I'm so excited! This is the curling one. It's just heating up. And I got a bottle of hairspray. I'm gonna curl my hair at the back of my hair first. My hair is all curled. Now for a bit of makeup. See, Clay fans, you can have so much fun having a salon day. You don't need much. What you need is a bit of makeup and a curling one. You can just use your mummy's. And remember to ask her first. You don't want to get into trouble. All you need is a pretty dress and a hair accessory. Voila, you're all done. You can do a fabulous photo shoot. It's so much fun to do a photo shoot. So Clay friends, you should do a salon day and a photo shoot. So easy and so much fun. It doesn't take much at all. Okay Clay friends, I'm gonna go to do more photos. Bye for now.